Good day, seniors. In this video lesson, we'll be having this single problem that concerns area. So in the problem, the area of a triangle is 37 square units. If the vertices of the triangle are -9, 1, 3, 2, and 1x, find the value or the values of x. Now we are given two known coordinates, -9, 1, and 3, 2. For our triangle, let's plot that. -9, 1 is it's here. And 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 is here. Now, let me label them -9, 1, and then this is 3, 2. Now we have the third vertex. We are sure that the x coordinate is 1, but the y coordinate, although it's written in x, it's the y coordinate. We are not sure of the y coordinate. So if x coordinate is 1, it would be here. Y coordinate, we don't know. It can be above or below. So I think we will have two triangles to solve here. So let's have a case wherein our y coordinate is a positive. So let's have 1 and a positive. Let's say somewhere here. So what we have here is a triangle. We connect the vertices, obviously we have a triangle, but we don't know this one, 1x. So let that be x. It's the y coordinate, but let's keep it as x because it's in the problem, 1x. Now we can set up the shoelace right here. So the area is 1/2. Then the matrix, we pick a point. Let's start with, of course, this point, 1x, and we go counterclockwise. So the next is this. So you have -9 and then 1. The next is this. You have 3 and then 2, and then obviously that one. Where we started, we should end there. And it's given. The area is given, and it's 37. Okay, now you know that how to do this setup. So you have 1/2 absolute value, and then two groups, difference of two groups, absolute value, and it's 37. And then let's set up the values that we put here, and setting up our shoelace. You have these three. So let's write them up. 1 times 1 is 1, plus -18 or -18. 3x, that's a plus 3x. There. And then subtract the sum of the products of this, and this. So -9x times x, -9x, of course. 3 times 1 is a plus 3, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So you can see this will result into a simple equation. You have 1/2, multiply both sides by 1/2. You know that you will get here just the absolute value, and times 2 would be 74 in the right side. Now 1 minus 18 is -17, then plus 3x, minus -9x is a plus 9x, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, so that would be a -5. So let's simplify what's inside our absolute value. We have here 12x, and then 17 minus 5 is -22. So we have here 74. Now remember how to solve absolute value equations. So first we equate what's inside the absolute value to the right side. So basically copying the equation as it is. Although the left side will not have the absolute value symbol anymore. And the second equation will be 12x minus 22. Still, what's inside the absolute value and equating it to the negative of the right side. So we're just solving an absolute value equation here. So you have your 12x is equal to, moving minus 22 to the right, you have a 96. So x is 8. Now in the other equation, we get 12x is equal to a negative, this would be a plus 22 both sides. The right side would be negative 74 plus 22, or negative 52. And x is equal to negative 52 over 12. I think we can still divide this by 4. So divide by 4, that's negative 13 over 3. Now we have two values that we have two values for x. X is 8. This must be the value, the coordinate, the y coordinate, wherein the point is above the x-axis. I said earlier, we can have another possible location for our third vertex. X coordinate is 1, it can be below. So that's the other one. Negative 13 thirds is negative 4 and 1/3. Somewhere here. Let's put this in red. So see that? So we have two triangles that will have an area of 37 square units, and with the vertices negative 9, 1, and 3/2. And the answer, of course, is the third vertex is 1x. For the blue triangle, that is actually the point 1, 8. This is what we got for that positive value. And then for the red triangle, we'll still have an area of 37 square units. The point would be 1 and then negative 13 thirds. Okay, so that's it, guys. Still the same setup. You'll end up solving an absolute value equation. You know, it will be we will have two solutions. That's why there are two answers. That's it. Let's continue from this next time. Good day, seniors.